Hello engineer, my name is Araujo and I chose the practice number 3, that is managing and monitoring a data network. Introduction. The main idea was correct administration and monitoring of a data network. And the secondary idea was importance of using the telnet as an SSH protocol. The monitoring of the networks allows us to understand what happens in them, understanding the problem that may arise in these systems, response times, network access failures, among others. The concepts of telnet and SSH are lifeblood of this practice, since thanks to these protocols that allows us remote connection, we can be connected with many computers, such as servers, routers, switches, among others. Telnet. Its name comes from telecommunication network. It is basically a TCP/IP protocol, and it establishes remote connections with some computers. This protocol is used um, in a common mode. Telnet allows its users to check connectivity to remote machines and send commands through a keyboard. SSH. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a remote administration protocol that allows users to control servers with the use of a mechanism where authenticity can be verified. Its authenticity mechanisms range from the user transmitting data from the client to the host and vice versa. And this service was created to replace Telnet and to ensure that all transmissions to the server can be done in an encrypted manner. The significant advantage offered by SSH protocol over its predecessor is the use of encryption to ensure the secure transfer of information between the host and the client. There are three different encryption technologies used by SSH, and the first one is symmetric encryption, the second one is asymmetric encryption, and the third one was hashing. Well, this is the simulation of the practice. Like we can see, this is our turquoise cable. That turquoise cable is the console cable that we use to configure telnet or SSH and routers or other equipments. This is all the theory necessary to understand the practice that was done for telnet and SSH configuration. First, it was important to express the function that each one fulfills and to understand the clear differences that exist between these protocols, where we can see that SSH is just the evolution of Telnet. This is because Telnet was created in 1969, a year where you had no idea of the repercussion of transmitting remote information. The internet was barely created in this year. Therefore, it was necessary to create a protocol to solve the failures of the previous protocol. Although today it is used in local networks or companies since it fulfills its function correctly. But um, if security is important in the network that needs to be managed, the correct option is SSH. Okay, conclusions. It can be concluded that if we want to make a connection where security is important, we should not use telnet because they are not encrypted, and that is anyone can access, and to the router and quickly obtain the information of this connection, unlike SSH, where which is a more secure and much more functional protocol.